America, Tom Hand here in the Americana Corner. Today we're discussing William Eaton's invasion of Tripoli. In 1804, William Eaton, the former consul to Tunis, hatched a plan to end the war with Tripoli. Eaton proposed to invade Tripoli, drive the Pasha, Yusef Karamanli, from the throne, and replace him with his older brother, Hamet. In the process, all American prisoners would be released and all tribute demands ended. After securing the approval of President Thomas Jefferson and Secretary of State James Madison, Eaton proceeded to Egypt, where he assembled a hodgepodge army consisting of Eaton, 2 Navy midshipmen, a squad of Marines under Lieutenant Presley O'Bannon, 75 Christian mercenaries, and 500 Arabs. In early March 1805, Eaton began a 400-mile trek to his first objective, the city of Derne, an important Tripolitan seaport east of the capital. Following a harrowing 54-day march, the army arrived in the outskirts of town, and Eaton sent surrender demands into the city, to which the governor responded, "My head or yours." Taking that as a no, Eaton launched his attack on April 27th, while 3 ships from the Mediterranean squadron fired on the town. Eaton, O'Bannon, and his squad of Marines, along with the Christian mercenaries, charged the city walls, scattering the defenders and securing the town. Soon the American flag was seen fluttering from the battlements, planted there by the Marines, the first time the American flag had ever waved in triumph on foreign soil outside North America. Within weeks, the Pasha begged for peace, released all American prisoners, and renounced all previous tribute demands. And all this because William Eaton, Presley O'Bannon, and a contingent of United States Marines had carried the Stars and Stripes to the shores of Tripoli. Next week, we will discuss the conclusion of the Barbary Wars. Until next time, may your love of country lead you.